Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. Basics of oil plant installation.
What are indica, japonica, and glutinous rice?
Short feature of the grain suction machine.
Scientists are relying on traditional rice to develop new flood-resistant varieties.
China buys more products but reduces imports of rice, pepper.
Mechanisms needed to go around in the rice industry, insiders.
Malaysian palm oil in the EU 27, performance and projections for 2024.
Organic fertilizers are essential to increase crop yields and maintain soil health.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. BIB Select China 2024 media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.